Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add accounts into MKT TikPro. So first that you need to go to account management and you can add a new category. You can save with every name that you want, and for example I will go test one and I click the plus button. It will show a category here and you can go add accounts. From now you need to copy the accounts that you have. You copy all of that and you can paste into the software. After you paste in, you're gonna select the category you want to save to, and you can select the format of the accounts. For example, if we have like ID TikTok, the next one is gonna be password, email, password mail, and the last one is gonna have cookies. So I will click on the cookies and I will click the green button. It will save all the accounts into the software. After that you click the yellow button and turn off the small window, and you can click to the circle black and choose the category you want to turn it on and click load. All the accounts will show up, and if you want to paste in the proxy, the static proxy, you can choose on the accounts and you can right mouse click, go paste and paste proxy in turn. Or if you have like the dynamic proxy, you can go to system setting and you can set up the proxy in here. You just need to get the API of the proxy. And this is the end for this video about TikTok accounts. So if you have any question, you can text me in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you and see you again.